Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theCZLife.com, and yo, I'm really digging this lighting setup right now, and um, yeah, it's going to be here to stay. Now, this sort of looks like it's going to be a late night talk show, and this is something that I am going to put into prime focus for season 3. Now, I haven't announced season 3 yet, but I guess I just did. I was talking to LV, aka If I Only Knew 2 channel yesterday, and we were just talking about like the direction of our content and where we want to bring it, and what are we looking forward to do in 2019. And pretty much my whole outlook is going to be the same going forward, and that is continually to share with you my journey in entrepreneurship and personal development, right? And basically, it's my contribution to my community. And this is a question I pose to you. Like, if you are an entrepreneur or if you are on your journey in personal development, who are you serving? What is the community? Because entrepreneurship is a journey and contribution, right? So what are you what or who are you contributing to? Now, you can have your basic 9-to-5 job, or you could work on your purpose, whatever it is. You still have to contribute to a cause. So if you don't know what that cause is, I would highly suggest that you reflect upon that, because you do not want to be caught 10 years from now thinking about this sort of a thing. And this is a gradual realization that I've had with the season 1 and season 2. And then this is why I want to go into season 3, because I'm making all of these realizations on my journey, right? And documenting the process as well, having these discussions on camera and publishing them. So like this season 2 is about to wrap up. We're in episode 86, right? And I was able to put the mastermind group together, and now we are building something epic. So it gets me thinking like, yo, season 3, what's going to go on? What's happening? I've already made some awesome channel upgrades. I made yesterday's video was the unboxing of some cool stuff. I was able to shout out to my homies. They gave me an Amazon gift card, and I was able to pick up something else for the channel. So I will wait until it arrives before I make the big reveal, right? And then that's going to help me share more of my experiences, and then also, hopefully create a transformational experience for you guys as well, because as you guys transform, I transform as well, and vice versa. Like this whole journey again is in contribution, and I'm trying to contribute as much as I can based on all the knowledge that I gather. I'm trying to organize that knowledge and then put it in some sort of a product or service to help you get your results, and in turn, serving you, I get the ultimate reward myself. So that's so much things I got to look forward to, especially in 2019. Now, I want to, again, organize this knowledge that I acquire, because as I have these conversations one-on-one with my clients or people that I'm mentoring or coaching, I realize like, yo, it's very overwhelming, all this knowledge that I've accumulated over the several past few months, right? So I'm going to try to organize them as best as I possibly can and drip them out one by one, because a great quote that I heard, it's like, you never fully understand something until you are able to communicate that to someone else and they understand it themselves. So that's going to be my number one focus, is to be able to organize that knowledge and make it simple in order for you to understand, so that you can explain that to somebody else. All right, so stay tuned. We got so much more to do, so much more to accomplish, so much opportunity a ton of growth within the community. So yeah, let's hit me up in the comments, hit me up in the email, slide in the DMs, because that's what I'm doing, man. I'm trying to grow this community as much as possible, as big as possible, where, you know, it's global, international. So that's a little hint to stay tuned, all right? So don't forget to drop a comment, subscribe, holla at your boy. Peace.